Welcome to the Sports and GT channel. Hit subscribe if you like to see classic and collectible cars reviewed. I'm back at the market by Bonhams and taking a look at one of the most beautiful cars ever. So this is a Traction Avant, a Citroen, and most people know them as Traction Avants, but actually the Traction Avant meant front wheel drive in French. And there are actually 7 different models of car that were numbered according to their taxable horsepower. And there were nearly 760,000 of these things built between 1934 and 1957. It was known for being the first front-wheel drive unitary construction car. It had no chassis, just the welded steel body. And there were fears that this wasn't strong enough or safe enough. So André Citroën decided to drop one off a cliff just to prove that it was. So one thing that not many people realise was that all right-hand drive Citroen Traction Avants were actually built in the UK, in Slough. Around 26,400 cars were built in right-hand drive. Not all for the home market, but others were exported to markets like South Africa or Australia. Some of the differences of the UK built cars were their chrome fittings around the grille and the overriders. They also had 12-volt electrics with a walnut dash and Jaeger dials. The upholstery was colony leather seats and door trims. Sadly, the development costs of the Traction Avant crippled Citroën, and André Citroën himself had to leave. And sadly he died not long after. One of the key investors of the company, Michelin, took over the running of it until 1967. So although in some sense the Traction Avant was a failure for Citroën, it was a roaring success ultimately. Now one of Traction Avant's claims to fame is that it appeared in film and television over 1,300 times. Notable films include The Sound of Music and The Great Escape. This particular model is a Light 15. So in France this would have been an 11 Sport because they have a different way of working out their taxable horsepower. This was built in the UK in 1939 but exported to South Africa. It returned to the UK in 1989 and then spent 30 years in the same family. This particular car is actually for sale. It's guided between £50,000 and £20,000, which seems incredible for all this story and all this car. That's about the same as a brand new Volkswagen Up, for goodness sake. You can find full details of this car and others at themarket.bonhams.com. Please like this video and comment to let me know what you think of this gorgeous Citroen Light 15. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.